I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to quickly and easily remove the pad from your Swiffer Wetjet. So when you're done cleaning with this, it might be a little bit unclear how to take the pad back off of your Swiffer Wetjet. I've got a pad on here now. With the traditional Swiffer, there's little bits of the pad that kind of come up onto the top and get kind of cinched in there, and that doesn't happen with the Wetjet. It's just almost like a little fastener that holds it in place. So the simplest way I've found to take this off without having to touch that dirty pad is just simply to stand right on the edge of it. Put your weight on the side of that pad, and then we're just going to simply pull up on that and pull it straight off of the Wetjet. And there we go. I don't have to touch it. I can just take that now, and I could take a paper towel or something and put it in the trash. But again, just stand on the edge, put your weight on there, hold it in place, give it a good solid pull, and you should be able to remove that pad very readily from your Swiffer Wetjet. And then you can go ahead and continue, put on a new pad and clean. And I like to take a paper towel to pick this up and just throw it in the trash, so again, I don't have to be in contact with that soiled pad.